Crane Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English nickname that likely denoted a tall, thin man with long legs, derived from the Middle English or Old English words crane or cron, meaning crane, a reference to the bird. Early bearers included Jordan Crane, documented in Essex, England in 1219, William le Crane, documented in Essex in 1235, and Thomas le Crane of Somerset, England, documented in the year 1243. Noble titles held included the Crane Baronetcy of Chilton in the County of Suffolk. It was created in the Baronetage of England in 1627 for Sir Robert Crane, a member of Parliament for Sudbury and Suffolk, and the title became extinct upon his death in 1643. They also held the Crane Baronetcy of Woodrising in the County of Norfolk, a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1643 for Sir Richard Crane. He was the brother of Sir Francis Crane, depicted on the right, who was founder of the Mortlake Tapestry Works, and the title became extinct on Sir Richard's death in 1645. And here we see Stoke Park, one of the family estates that Sir Francis lived in. Notables include Commodore William Montgomery Crane, born 1776, an officer in the United States Navy during the First Barbary War and the War of 1812. He was the son of General William Crane, who was wounded at the Battle of Quebec during the American Revolution. There was also Ichabod Bennet Crane, born 1787, an American career military officer for 48 years, and the probable namesake for the protagonist in Washington Irving's The Legend of Sleepy Hollow. There was also Israel Crane, born 1774, a merchant who lived in Cranetown, which is present-day Montclair, New Jersey. He was nicknamed King Crane for his successes in business. David Crane, born 1793, a Scottish divine and academic who was moderator of the General Assembly of the Church of Scotland in the year 1842. Edward Nicholas Crane, born 1862, nicknamed Cannonball, was an American right-handed pitcher and outfielder in Major League Baseball for 8 seasons. Lucy Crane, born 1842, an English writer, art critic, and translator who worked on children's stories and nursery rhymes and lectured on England on fine art. And lastly, Winthrop Murray Crane, born 1853, an American businessman and Republican Party politician who served as the 40th governor of Massachusetts and as the United States Senator from that state. Early settlers included James Crane, who came to Virginia in 1634 aboard the Bonaventure. Richard Crane came to Virginia in 1635 aboard the Thomas. Jasper Crane came to Massachusetts in 1637 aboard the Hector. Christian Crane came to Massachusetts in 1647. Margaret came to Virginia in 1704. Thomas Crane went to Nova Scotia, Canada in 1749. And Josiah Crane arrived in New York in 1761. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com, where we offer genealogy research service, link in the description. Thank you very much.